Another day, another story. Are you looking for the perfect dog to add to your family? Here are few details about our favorite dog, Golden Retriever. The Golden Retriever is a beloved and popular breed known for its intelligence, loyalty, and trainability. Here are some key features of this breed. Origin: the Golden Retriever originated in Scotland in the 19th century. Physical characteristics: the Golden Retriever is a medium to large size breed, with a strong and athletic build. They have a long, thick coat that comes in shades of gold. They have a wide, friendly face and a tail that is usually docked. Temperament: Golden Retrievers are known for their friendly, outgoing, and affectionate nature. They are highly trainable and eager to please, making them great family pets. They are also known to be good with children and other pets. Intelligence: Golden Retrievers are highly intelligent and easily trained, which makes them well suited for many roles, such as service dogs, therapy dogs, and search and rescue dogs. Versatility: Golden Retrievers are versatile dogs. They can excel in many activities such as hunting, agility, obedience, and as a therapy dog. Popularity: Golden Retrievers are one of the most popular dog breeds in the world, thanks to their friendly and outgoing nature, trainability, and versatility. So, if you're looking for a loving, trainable and versatile companion, the Golden Retriever might be the perfect dog for you. With its friendly and affectionate nature, it can make a great addition to any family. Thanks for watching.